Hi, welcome. I'm Juli. Today you need your pink board, the coins and this picture. Take your time and when you're ready, let's play. What a beautiful picture! We are under the sea. Can you see a square? Good. What color is it? It's red. Now place a coin on the board. Square and red. You need to be focused. Fantastic. Can you see a circle? Yes, there are many circles. What color is this circle? Pink. Okay, take the coin. So, is the circle red? No, it isn't. Is it blue? No. Is it green? No. Is it yellow? No. Is it pink? Yes, pink circle. Well, what color is this circle? It's blue. Can you place the coin? Blue circle, very good. Can you see a triangle? Good. What color is it? Green. One coin for green triangles. That's it. What about this triangle? What color is it? It's orange. Amazing. Take one coin, please. Orange triangle. Good. Can you see a rectangle? This one is a bit difficult. Oh, here it is. What color is it? Is it yellow? No, it isn't. It's pink. Wonderful. So this is a pink rectangle. Now, can you see a star? Yes, this star is yellow. Please take one coin. Let's see, is it red? No. Is it blue? No. Is it green? No. Is it yellow? Yes. Now, what color is this star? It's pink, yes. Let's place the coin, kids. Pink star, good. One more. Okay. Can you see a heart? Oh, yes, good. What color are the hearts? Pink. They are pink. Take a coin, please. Remember, pink heart. Excellent. I can also see another heart. Can you see it? It's red. Great. Okay, you know what to do. Red heart. Well done. Let's check if this is correct. Please turn the picture. Here you can see the key. Everything's perfect. Thanks for playing with me. See you in the next video.